everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosanna, and today I have a very delicious recipe. We're going to be cooking some chicken breast in lemon and butter. You're going to love this. It only has 6 ingredients plus seasoning. It's very simple. Now let's get started because I'm hungry. Okay, so before we start on our actual chicken, we're gonna do some prep on some of the items we will be needing. For example, we will go ahead and take a small bunch of parsley and go ahead and chop it up. That was pretty easy. So let's go ahead and mix our flour because we need to go ahead and season this. This is what's going to give our chicken some really good flavor. So we're going to go ahead and to our AP flour add salt, pepper, and I also went ahead and added some paprika just for a little bit of that heat. But if you are not comfortable with eating spicy food, then you can just omit it. Do not put it in. I took an extra step and went ahead and prepped my butter. So all I've done is actually cut it into small sizes, and that's all you need to do. Just put it on the side until you need it. Okay guys, we're gonna start cooking our chicken breast. So we're gonna go ahead and prepare a pan and turn on our stove to medium heat and add some olive oil right on top of it. Now let's get our chicken breast prepared. I went ahead and bought my chicken pretty thinly sliced so that it will cook faster. And then to proceed, we're going to go ahead and take each breast at a time and cover them in our nicely seasoned AP flour we prepared earlier. And then you can just go ahead and proceed and put them in your hot pan so it starts cooking. Okay, so go ahead and let your chicken brown on one side so that you can go ahead and flip it to the other. And then just let the other side brown. Just make sure that before you take it out of your stove, it is fully cooked. Like I said, I had previously already ordered my chicken thinly sliced so that by the time I take it out of my pan, it's fully cooked. Then just go ahead and do the same thing with the rest of your chicken breast. Once you've done every single piece of your chicken breast, you're going to go ahead and add your chicken stock to deglaze your pan and get all of that nice flavor into your lemon butter sauce. Then just let your chicken stock reduce 3/4 of the way. And then we'll go on to our next step. Once your chicken stock has reduced 3/4 of the way, we're going to go ahead and add our lemon. And now we're going to add our butter and whisk it right in so that it melts. This is going to give your sauce such a creamy feel and a wonderful taste. Let's go ahead and add some salt and pepper to season our sauce. Make sure you taste it, and if it needs more, add more. Okay, so now you can go ahead and add your beautiful sauce into your chicken. If you have a bigger pan that you cooked your sauce in, you can actually go ahead and add your chicken into your sauce and kind of, just heat it up again. But in my case, it was easier for me to pour my beautiful sauce in the pot where I had my chicken. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle some parsley right over it. Oh, this looks so yummy, so delicious. I can't wait to taste it. Ta-da! I've actually gone ahead and plated our lemon butter chicken, and it looks amazing and it tastes so good as well. You're gonna love this recipe, and I hope you do try it. So do not forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Now, let me go ahead and dig into my dinner. Oh my god, this is amazing. The lemon And the butter complement the chicken so well. All right, guys, it's time for me to go. I have some eating to do. Take care and I'll see you next time.